Hi, this is Kathy Chappelle. I'm going to show you how to select your favorites. First, you will get an email with a special link in it. You click on the link and it takes you to this gallery. On the right side, you will see View My Favorites. If you click on that now, it will be empty because we haven't selected any favorites yet. Here's the gallery. You're going to click on your gallery. If there's a password, you'll click your password on that gallery at that time. You're going to have thumbnails on this side of your computer, and depending how your computer layout, it may be different, but you'll see thumbnails. And then on the right side, you'll see a larger preview image. You'll click on the image that you want, the thumbnail, and then if you want to keep it as a favorite, you just click the heart down here that says favorite. So you click a few of all the ones that you want as favorites. You can just go on through and see, when you see one that you like, you just click on the favorite. If you change your mind and decide you don't want it, you just click on the heart unfavorite and it removes it from your favorites gallery. So we'll pick a few to add to the gallery. Once you're done selecting your favorites, or if you just want to preview the favorites that you've selected, you will click on the See All, and the See All is right here next to where the heart and the unfavorite is, or favorite is. You click on that and it shows you all of the photos that you have selected as your favorites. You can click on them if you want to see a larger preview, then X out here if you want to get out of that larger preview. If you decide you do not want an image in your favorites folder, you can also do it from here, and you can just click unfavorite and it removes it. And you could just change your mind and add it back to it again. Then to get back to your selections, if you want to get back to, because here it's showing that you've chosen 3 images and you're looking at one of 3. So you have a total of 3 images, but you want to go back and you want to select some more. So what you do is click on this link right here where it says selecting your favorites, and just click on that again. Click on the gallery and it takes you back to your gallery. You can use this arrow here to arrow through all the thumbnails. It takes you to the next set of thumbnails. So you have 2 of 4 pages of thumbnails. You have 4 pages of thumbnails. That's 2 of 4. You want to see the next set of thumbnails, you can go there. You can go back here. Here's an arrow to go backwards. And if you want to go through each image, you would just click on this arrow down here. Here we have a total of 77 images, and you just keep on clicking through there if you want to go through them individually and select a favorite if you like a favorite. If you want to view them as a slideshow, you click on the slideshow link up here and it shows you images as a slideshow. And you can always X out when you're done. Just X out right there. You want to view all your images? Again, you click on See All and you can see all the ones that you have selected. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact Kathy at kcphotocreations.com or give me a call at 951-541-7481. Thank you.